Livingston Haven has been in business for 75 years developing customized engineered solutions for fluid power, which includes hydraulic, lubrication, and pneumatics. In our fluid power system shop, we design, build, and engineer customized engineered solutions to your specifications. From 300 horsepower all the way down to 1/3 of a horsepower. We do fixed pumps, variable pumps, pressure compensated pumps. We do very sophisticated pump controls to meet the demands of the system. Our systems are designed to work in industries all the way from automotive to steel manufacturing to tire manufacturing, pharmaceutical, medical. Our customer base is 1 inch deep and 1 mile wide. The technicians that we have in our shop are very skilled. It's important that they're trained correctly. They're key to ensuring a quality system is manufactured and built according to the specifications. We put a lot of effort into onboarding new employees to make sure they understand how the systems need to be built and the requirements that are involved in it. Our specialists are involved from the beginning to consider all system aspects, including environmental, fluid types, material types, fitting selection, and anything special that need to be considered. Our manufacturing system is built around industry standards such as ASI, UL, AWS, and ASME. With our systems being fully designed and documented, we're able to provide customers with spare parts, and this includes filter assemblies, hose assemblies, spare motors, spare pumps, couplings, valves. We design and build a wide variety of systems at Livingston Haven, from 3 gallons all the way up to 2,000, 5,000 and larger systems. Our customers are invited to visit our shop at any time. We invite you to look at your equipment while it's in process. If you can't make it, we can send photos of the equipment. We can video your machine being tested. We're proud to show you this work because we are glad to be part of it and doing it for you. If your next project involves a hydraulic power unit and you're looking for a customized engineered solution, whether it be a new equipment, a custom design, a rebuild, a refurbish, an installation, an automation startup, please contact Livingston Haven and we'll get you in touch with an account manager, and we look forward to working with you on your next project.